out, we got my son a hiboy. It's a hiboy electric dirt bike. We'll put it together because he's asleep right now, taking a nap. When he wake up, he'll be ready to ride it. He should know how to ride it because he know how to ride a bike and a balance bike. So it shouldn't be that hard. Let me pull it out for y'all. There you go.
Ooh.
Electric dirt
I
bike.
like
Boom.
Okay.
It's cool, huh?
That's nice.
It's what he's been asking for every day. Where my dirt bike? Where my dirt bike?
Every single day. Step down.
Check it out.
Let's count down, Rami. Count down from 5.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. My own dirt bike.
Look at your other stuff.
All your armor.
Yeah, you ready?
And look at your helmet. You got a new helmet.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and your dirt bike. Check out your dirt
Look
bike.
at your dirt bike.
Now sitting over here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. You ready? You ready to learn how to ride?
Yeah.
All right. You want to put on your armor first?
Hold on, you gotta put on your armor first.
I know.
First,
My
this.
yay. That's right.
Yeah.
Put your feet up. Yeah! 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 Keep going! Keep going!
Control it. Hit it. Go. Keep going.
Yeah! Yeah! Put your feet on the pedals, Mommy. Yes, you do. You said you don't need the pedals anymore.